I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Magzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your way to $1,000 per day using a Google trick. This is a brand new strategy that I have never mentioned in any video on my channel, so congratulations. But before we go anywhere, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. So if it is your desire to learn how you can harness the power of the internet to make some side income, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that I can notify you each time and every time I drop a video. Okay, this is what you can expect in this video. You're going to learn how to make up to $1,000 per day with a copy and paste strategy. And we are going to use a Google trick, right? There is no skill or experience needed, and this strategy is completely free. By the end of this video, you would have learned how to earn passive income daily on AutoPilot. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the discussion. The website we are going to use today is called moneypantry.com. It's a secure website with a padlock at the corner, right? If you click the padlock, it says your information, for example, passwords, credit card details are private when they are sent to this site. Certificate is valid. Cookies are in place, 17 of them. And if you click that wheel, you'll see the settings of this site. Welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money. This is the best of Money Pantry. To make it easier for you to get started, we have gathered the best of Money Pantry from 3 of our most popular categories. Read this first, then scroll down to find and read our latest posts. So these are the 3: make money, save money, and freebies. 81 legit ways to earn money online, 150 legitimate work from home jobs hiring now, 70 ways for college students to make money, 40 sites that pay you to do things you already do, okay? And you can read the rest. But what is of interest for us today, my friend, is moneypantry.com get paid to write. Get paid to write. 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. You remember in my intro, I said I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your way to $1,000 per day, right? So here you can see for yourself that it is saying $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Okay. There is a ton of ways you can make money. Freelance writing is actually one of the easiest ways to make money online. There is no investment required. You don't have to pay any startup fees. The pay is relatively fast. In fact, there are many blogs and online magazines that pay you for stories and articles instantly, right? And there are no shortages of freelance writing gigs. So there is no shortage of work on this website. It just depends on you. If you want to make money, you can make money using this website. And you're not making some change like 50p or 50 cents or 20 cents. No, you are making $50 to $3,000 per blog post. It means you're just writing something and you drop it, you submit it on a particular site, and then you get paid, right? So all you need to do is to put some work into it, right? So if you look at that, get paid to blog about anything. We all have our own interests and hobbies. And when it comes to writing, we don't all want to write about the same thing. That's why we search high and low to find sites that pay you for articles on different topics. So you can literally get paid to write about anything, even your life. All right. So you can see some more sites that pay you to write about vacation and travel, right? Wanderlust, look at that one. These ones, number one, there says transitions abroad, $150 per post. And this one, $220 per post. And this one, Great Escape Publishing, $50 to $200 per post. Alaska Airlines Magazine, $150 to $700. You can see the list is going on and on and on. Motorhome, $900 per post. As the name suggests, this is a magazine for RV enthusiasts. Where I want to draw your attention to is right here, where it says sites that pay you to write about general interest. Right, number 10 right here, it says Vibrant Life. You are paid $100 to $300 per post. So if you do 10 posts, like I'm going to show you how to do that, right? You are copying and pasting your way to $1,000 per day, all right? So stay with me, okay? So if you click Vibrant Life right there, takes you to this page. These are the different topics that you can embark on, right? Exercise, recipes, going green, family health, mental health, physical health, spiritual health, weight management, right? You see where it says manuscripts? Articles should focus on one topic and stay with that subject to the end. Short articles of 450 words to 650 words are always in demand. These are the guidelines that we have in place. Submit completed articles ready for publication by just clicking submit right there. Payment for articles ranges from $100 to $300. Phone number, contact details are here, right? Phone number is there. Even the physical, the box number is there. You can choose any topic right here and write an article or articles. And those articles should be between 450 words and 650 words. I told you this is a copy and paste business. We're going to copy and paste our way up to $1,000 by just taking articles that are available online, right? We're not going to plagiarize. We're not going to steal content. We are just going to make use of the available resources that are there, okay? And I'm going to show you now. Right. Say you are looking to write about family health. It might be physical health, okay? Right? You can talk about keto diet. At the minute, as we speak right now, the keto diet is a buzzword across the world. Okay. So there is a site which is called Quora.com. Quora.com is a question and answer kind of site. So people come here with their questions, and people come here also to answer some questions. What is cool about this is that, about this site, is that you find almost everything, any topic is covered on this site. Any question is answered on this site, right? So we are looking for articles or answers that have been given concerning the keto diet. You type on the search bar, keto, and then you search. You see the questions right here. What is the keto diet? What are the benefits of a keto diet? Is keto dieting safe? Is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss? And so forth, and so forth, and so forth. So what you do is you click the question and you read the answers that have been given. You can see the answers that you want there, and then you copy them, and then you paste them on Google Docs. You open a blank document right there, and then you can paste your answer right there. So the Google trick bit about what I mentioned, you copy the answers from Quora, you go to Google Docs and you paste them there. Then you take another answer from someone else, because you are compiling a unique document. You are creating a unique document and you print it out. Once you are satisfied with the answer, you tweak it around, then you want to type it because you are going to submit it on Money Pantry. You are going to submit it right here, right here. So it has to be a well-typed document. You prepare your document nicely and then you print it out. Once you have printed it out, then you come back to Google Docs and then you click that link which says tools. And you see where it says voice typing right there? Voice typing. So you've got your printed document in your hands. 450 words to 650 words. So you can read it into this Google Docs, right? So you click tools and then you go to voice typing. You click voice typing right there. Then you read your document into the computer. It's called voice typing, right? So you type with your mouth like I'm going to demonstrate right now. So you'll be reading your typed document into Google Docs. Check how powerful this tool is. I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. Today, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your way up to $1,000 per day using a Google trick. You see that? I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. Today, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your way up to $1,000 per day using a Google trick. So you can see that the computer is typing for me. This particular tool is taking my voice and it's changing it into print. So you'll be reading your document in your hands and it's going to be typed right there. So you read it up to the end. Once you're satisfied and you've checked it, all the grammar is correct and everything is correct, you then submit it on Vibrant Life right here. This is a bonus site that you can also use to make money by just writing and typing things. You don't make one article and stop there. You make 5 articles, 10 articles. You submit 20 articles, 30 articles. My friend, this is going to work for you. As long as you put the time and the effort into it, you are going to make money. You're going to copy and paste your way up to $1,000 using this strategy that I've just shown you right here. The only downside about this strategy, my friend, is that this is active income. You have to type, you have to compile the documents, you have to do something, you have to submit, manually submit your articles on Money Pantry, right? But there is another cool way of making money leveraging the power of the internet, my friend. And that strategy is called AutoPilot business. That you can make money whilst you are asleep. You can make money whilst you are on vacation. You can make money whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your family, with your husband, with your wife. You can make money whilst you are on your dream vacation. Why? Because ka-ching, money is getting into your account hands-free on AutoPilot. So click the link in the description below that says #1 recommendation to make money online on AutoPilot, and get the details of what I've just hinted on right now. If you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, we see each other in the next videos.